Hi guys, this is Zebro00 and welcome back to another fantastic YouTube video. And today I have a pretty cool review to do. This one's not going to drop in from the sky because it's kind of fragile. Here it is, the Raidmax Neon Gaming PC case. I'm currently building a computer for someone and that does not sound good. And I saw this on Amazon, 30 bucks with 3 LED fan lights in the front. It looked really cool in the pictures, but it got some questionable reviews. You know, half of them were like, it's decent for the price, and then the other half were like, this is kind of garbage and it turned up broken and all this stuff. So we're about to see how good this $30 Raidmax case is. I already hear pieces like moving around in there, so that could be a really bad sign. Oh my god. This thing is like covered in styrofoam. There's nothing I hate more than styrofoam because it goes everywhere if it breaks. Wow. Okay, first impressions. This thing is super light. Okay, I have no idea what this is, but one piece right here is already broken. So that is not really good. But I think it'll be fine. I really don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's a pretty nice looking front design. The front is all plastic, by the way. No glass. Now the side. Ooh. I think there's plastic on the inside too. Also, this is kind of like a Next case. The power supply goes under, and you could take off the back and wire all the wires through the back. So you basically don't see any wires except the ones that need to connect to the motherboard. These screws are really tight. I need a screwdriver. Now with our screwdriver we can... So here is the plastic panel. Just regular plastic. Pretty nice. It's a little annoying that this front part is broken, but I think it'll be fine. So here we have all the fans kind of connect into one port. You have all the wires nicely wrapped up. So we have a good amount of some ports up here. We have one USB 2.0, the blue one, and a regular one, headphone jack, microphone jack, and a nice power button. Oh, that's a nice click. You have to press it down. A refresh button. Maybe that's for the fans or something, I'm not sure. Okay, now we can just take off the back here by sliding it out. Honestly, it looks pretty similar to a Next case. Oh great, it also comes with all the screws and zip ties that you would need. Okay guys, I'm kind of impressed. I thought it would just be a total piece of crap, but it's just like a little bit of a piece of crap. But still nice. Cases are usually around $60 to like $120, so for $30, this seems really good. So guys, I'm going to build the computer in here and I will come back when it's finished and I can turn all the lights on and it will look snazzy. Yeah. Okay guys, so it's been about a few hours. It took me only an hour to really build the computer, so it was actually pretty simple. It was just really annoying because the front part was still broken. As you see, this front part here is still falling off, which is kind of bad. I mean, it's not supposed to do that. But as you see, I built the whole computer in here. I tested it out, it worked perfectly. But here I'm gonna plug this in and show you how cool the fans look. And pretty much just show you the whole computer. Also, you can see the back looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I did a good job. Okay, it's plugged in. Now I'm gonna press the power button. Ooh. It works. You can see the graphics card also lights up in there, which is pretty epic. So the LEDs only are white. There's no way to change the color. They're white lights. If you pay $10 more, I'm pretty sure you can get the RGB ones where you can obviously change the colors, and also that would kind of look cool. But I was going for that $30 case. Honestly, this case would have been really good if it wasn't broken on the side here, but everything else, I mean, it's plastic and metal, So I mean, it's kind of as cheap as you can get it at the moment. So guys, if you would like to purchase this case, I wasn't sponsored by them, but the link will be in the description. I don't know, you could check out the reviews, see if you actually like it. I mean, you could tell from this review that there's a few issues with it. So leave a like, subscribe, and stay sarcastic.